So today I'm going to be talking about straps, truck straps. This is what happens, kids, when you don't roll up your truck straps. It's an absolute mess, and now you have to get a professional in, like me, to sort this out. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to help Ob sort and wrap his truck straps.
They look great. Keeping them great is going to be a challenge, but if you want to have efficient truck strapicity, then you've got to be into that, right? I mean, there's no one around that's had, you know.
I found Ob's lucky belt. It's covered in mold. I did finish organizing Ob's straps. I think it took about 20 minutes. And guess what? He said, since I did this huge favor for him, I could actually go ahead and have a few of these straps, which is very exciting. So, I just wanted to let everyone know, if you do put in the hard work, that's what you get. You can get